Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Harpreet Kaur. I will be your examiner of this part of the test and I will record it for marking purposes. May I see your identification, please?
Yes.
What is your full name?
My name is Khushi Rai. You can call me as Khushi.
Okay, here is your passport. This speaking has 3 parts and I will give you instruction for each part. I will ask you couple of questions to get you know better and some questions on a general topic. Are you ready?
Yes.
What kind of new food you like to try?
I would like to try all kinds of food available in the market because I am a foodie. I would love to taste different dishes made by different chefs of the world. Thai, Italian, Mexican, every food has its own unique taste which I would like to relish.
Okay. Do you like cooking? Why or why not?
Yes, I like cooking a lot. It is my hobby to cook different types of dishes. If I truly say I love experimenting with spices and different food items. I like because all my family members like to taste new dishes, and also if a person knows how to cook, he or she can cook food according to one's choice and also cook with no one is at home. When no one
Okay.
is at home.
What was the last meal you cooked?
The last meal I cooked was Italian pasta. I took the recipe from my friend who lives in Italy. She is the owner of a restaurant. The ingredients they put over there are not available in my country. She gave me the list of alternatives which could be used instead. All my family members relished this pasta.
Okay. Do you prefer home cooked food or food from restaurants?
I prefer home cooked food because it is full of nutrients. Also, one prepares this food in hygienic condition in comparison from that of restaurant, which may not be prepared in the same way. Home cooked food can also be prepared according to the choice of one.
Okay. That is the end of part 1. Now, I will continue with part 2. For part 2, here is a cue card. Here is paper and pencil. You will have 1 minute to think about your answer. Take some notes if you wish. Then you will have 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Then your 1 minute time preparation begins now. Go ahead and turn over the card. Okay, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
I have visited many gardens in my life, but here I would like to talk about Rock Garden in Chandigarh. I went there with my college trip. Our college organized an educational tour to Chandigarh. There we were 30 students, 2 teachers. We saw many places like Rose Garden, Sukhna Lake, Mini Zoo and Rock Garden. The rock garden by Nek Chand fascinated me the most. We spent maximum 2 hours there. We clicked a lot of photographs. About 500 people visit this place on the same day. It has around 5,000 sculptures. It is a unique garden that consists of various art objects. But the best part about this garden is that each of its artwork has been made by using waste material. It has become immensely popular. It has been established in the form of an open air exhibition hall. The garden has sculptures made by using a variety of different discarded waste materials like frames, mud guards, forks, handles, bars, metal wires, play marbles, porcelain, auto parts, broken bangles, and many more. People come from different parts of the world to see the amazing gardens. It is located in the Sector 1 near Sukhna Lake. Nek Chand received the Padam Shri in 1983 for his effort. A sculpture made also appeared on an Indian postage.
Okay. Okay, Khushi, please pass back the card with question note, paper and pencil. And now we will continue with part 3. For part 3, I will ask you some more questions related to the topic of part 2. Let's talk about these questions. Why do people avoid gardening as a hobby nowadays?
People avoid gardening as a hobby nowadays because it demands a lot of time. Seeds are planted, then it needs water on a daily basis. At last, it needs a care, but people today do not have time to eat. So they avoid such hobbies and need time and devotion.
Okay. Which type of people likes to visit garden?
Old age people along with their grandchildren like to visit garden because in this way old people get a chance to spend their time with their grandchildren and also with their family and friends. Some do walk also. In this way, they can pass their leisure time. Also, some youngster which are health conscious like to visit garden for jogging or exercise as greenery fills a person with a positive vibes and a soothing effect.
Are there some good gardens in your hometown?
Yes, there are many good gardens in my hometown. Some of them are Rose Garden, Laiya Valley, Tulip and many more. Such garden enhance the beauty of a city and fills a person with positivity and give a soothing effect when one visits there.
Okay. Which time do people generally prefer to visit gardens?
The best time to visit any garden is the morning time. One can do exercise, eventually fills them with positivity, make one's agile and energetic as greenery of garden has soothing effect. But I visit this place whenever I want and get time. If I want to enjoy or gossip with my friends or relatives, I mostly prefer to visit gardens.
Do you think people will have more or less time in future? Why?
People in future would have less time because people today are so much busy in work than in future. Neither they will have time for family nor for themselves. This would ultimately increase the gap and the people would only become money earning machines.
Okay. Would you say the amount of free time has changed much in the last 50 years?
Yes, the amount of free time has changed much in last 50 years. And the most important reason for this change is the advent of globalization. Earlier, people were confined to only few occupations like farming, building, and some government jobs. So they had a lot of free time to spend with the family and enjoy as well. But with the advent of globalization, many multinational companies established branches in India and many people joined these companies. So the amount of free time decreased. Nowadays, people have no time for family and not even for themselves.
Okay. That's the end of the speaking test. Thank you and have a good day.